Let's talk about command substitution, but not just any command substitution. Advanced, error-proof, and downright clever techniques that elevate your scripting from it works, sometimes to rock-solid automation. Ever tried capturing errors from a command or chaining multiple substitutions to extract precisely what you need? If not, you're about to learn how. One of the most frustrating things when running scripts is when something goes wrong and your script acts like nothing happened. Let's fix that. Imagine running a command inside a script. If it fails, you want to know why. You also want to avoid silently failing, where the script just carries on as if all is fine until something catastrophically breaks later. The smart approach. 1. Redirect std to cited out so we capture both bash output $$ ls non_existent _file2 and 1. 2. Store the exit status to check if it failed, bash status $. 3. Use and condition to check and handle errors, bash if $status 0, then echo command failed with status $status echo error $output, else echo command succeeded $output 5. Why does this matter? Avoid silent failures, capture useful debugging information, improve script reliability and logging. Ever needed to process a large set of data and extract something specific? Command substitution allows you to do just that. Let's say you want to identify the largest file in a directory automatically. You don't want to manually check every time. Instead, you want your script to do the heavy lifting. All right, let's break it down. First, finds all files in the current directory. Next, calculates file sizes in a human-readable format. Then, sorts them in descending order with the biggest file first. After that, picks the top result, which is the largest file. Finally, extracts only the file name. Here are some pro tips. Nesting commands like this keeps things efficient and precise. It avoids manually scanning long file lists. And it can be adapted for finding the largest log files, largest backups, or even the largest error dumps. Let's go over some final takeaways. Error handling. Always capture both stout and stir. Your future self will thank you. Nested substitution. Don't be afraid to chain commands for data extraction. It's what makes Bash powerful. Debugging and optimization. When things get too complex, break them down and test smaller parts before assembling the full script. And remember, good scripting is not about memorizing commands. It's about knowing how to stitch them together smartly. Next up, we'll explore process substitution and how to handle even more advanced automation techniques. Stay tuned.